Maybe I'm amazed at the way you love me all the time. Maybe I'm afraid of the way I love you. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you pulled me out of time. You hung me on a line. Maybe I'm afraid of the way I really need you. Baby, I'm a man, baby, I'm a lonely man who's in the middle of something and he doesn't really understand. Baby, I'm a man, maybe you're the only woman who could ever help me. Baby, won't you help me understand? Hey guys, today we're taking a look at Maybe I'm Amazed by Paul McCartney. We'll do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's go. Alright, throughout the song we have pretty much three parts. The first one is the intro, which also after that we're using for the interlude. The only difference is that in the intro, actually it starts on A. It has a fade in that we can hear the chord of A major, and then we do this D to D minor to E minor to A. And for the strumming, what I'm doing is with the thumb right here on the E and A string and then C string. Then the same on D minor, same on E minor, and on A, just one down strum through all of the strings. All right, and we start with the verse. We start with B flat to F to C to G. And the second time, B flat to F to C. And here on the second C, we're doing this chromatic move. Okay, what I'm doing is playing the open C string, and after that with hammer-ons, with the pointing, middle, and ring finger. And after that the same on the next string. But here also I'm sliding it to the 4th fret and then A string open, ready to grab B flat again. Alright, this is maybe the trickiest thing of the song, so let's see how it goes. Baby, I'm amazed at the way you love me all the time. And maybe I'm afraid of the way I love you. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you... Okay, the third line is exactly the same as the first one, and the fourth is changing a little bit. B flat to F, and here we go to A flat, to E flat, back to C. As the strumming, actually I'm doing more of a picking because it's again E and A string first, and after that the C string, but I'm playing these strings with picking with the right hand. Actually the middle finger and ring finger are always on the E and A string, and the pointing finger is always on the G string. So maybe I'm amazed at the way you love me all the time. Maybe I'm afraid of the way I love you. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you hung me out of time. You hung me on a line. Maybe I'm afraid of the way I really need you. Alright, that's the verse, and after that we have the chorus, which starts with the chord of D. And after that, usually it's played D major 7, but in the context right here on the ukulele, this looks like F sharp minor. So let's call it F sharp minor. Okay, and then D7, this way with the open C string, okay? And after that we have a split bar between A minor and D7, and then going to G, and after this G we go to the D, and we are repeating after that the same thing, but there is something specific here. On this D I'm adding the pinky right here on the 5th fret. It makes a very dissonant sound, but actually you can hear it in the recording. And we're doing it from the beginning. Maybe I'm a man, maybe you're the only woman who could ever help me. Baby, won't you help me understand? But on the second time that we repeat it, we don't play this dissonant D. We go immediately to the intro. And after that, basically, we just do another verse part, which is the solo, but we are keeping the same chords. After that, we have another chorus, another interlude, and then you just keep on repeating it until you're out of lyrics and you just want to finish it. So that's my ukulele tutorial for Maybe I'm Amazed. I think that it has a really nice chord progression, and I really like this dissonant D. I think it's making the song very specific. So if you can, definitely add it to the mix. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.